Happy Hoarder here, and today I am participating in the Thrift Wars of the Dolls Challenge. Thank you, Lou, for hosting this. Spending only $5 is a challenge. So I went shopping last week and bought a bunch of Barbies, and it's 75 cents a piece. You can buy a lot of Barbies for under $5, including tax. I don't have the receipt for that because I bought some other things too, but I just wanted to show you what you can get. These are just my vintage ones that I picked up, and some of them needed a little bit of work because their hair was a hot mess. This one especially, with her super long hair, it was pretty much in dreadlocks. So what I do is I use the dog brush that a lot of people have recommended, but I noticed it was pulling out a lot of her hair. So I had another brush that I used on my hair, and that worked much better. I also washed my doll's hair with a conditioning shampoo. But didn't they turn out beautiful? And check these out. Just a little close up right there. Look at her platinum blonde. And then I don't really notice it. It's not Teresa because she's got like different color eyes. I'll have to look her up. I love this one because she's got some kind of mechanism on the back. I think she blew bubbles maybe? I don't know why she would blow bubbles out of her mouth though. I don't know what she does. I can look her up and see who she is. And then this is the Sleeping Beauty who has a lever on her back. And she's so cool. And she closes her eyes. So see, she's got a little lever. Oh, I love her. She's crazy. So there they are. That's 75 cents a piece, and I got 6 of them for under $5. If you would like to support my channel, you can purchase any of these dolls on eBay. You can check out my links in the description below. If the link's not there, that means the doll is sold. But I probably have more for sale, so check out my store. And Lou, thank you again for hosting this fun challenge. I've enjoyed it. And be sure you check out all the other videos in the hashtag Thrift Wars for Dolls Challenge. Thanks for watching. Bye!